Baby boy ni Ate.
Also, Ransom Diaries. Team Marco Gala is also here.
Yeah! Yun yung pinakakaya. Pinaka-share ka, brother dear.
Medyo malungkot. Hindi ko rin ng energy ng NFT ngayon eh.
Aliyah Coco, how are you? House of Coco, how do you feel right now?
I feel good. I'm excited.
Maraming salamat. This is a sound check. Have fun, relax, and enjoy the rest of the show. See you guys later. Okay, tara na guys, let's go. Wilbert, si Gary, ang malayan mo. Application. Special thanks to Wing Zone, Boniju, Yogurino, Viva Beauty, our official. That was a very wonderful performance. Pasado. Short answer. Anong pakiramdam mo na siyempre parating ka ng pamilya dating Alice Perez?
Siyempre, I feel blessed. I feel honored to play this role. Lalo na sila yung mga kasama ko. I'm so excited, guys.
We are so excited for you, buddy. Alam namin gagalingan mo. Thank you so much for that. Alam niyo na yung game, pero I won't tell it. Anyway, so, from that box to this box without using your hands. Remember, ito nga tayo guys. Punta tayo doon. Ayan. Grab Jel and Frost and Sarah. Hi guys! Hi classmates! Ayan. Okay. Naka-team ang Rap Gel. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mula dito, Team Rap Gel. Back to start. From point A ulit tayo. Back to start tayo. Pero kapag successful kayo guys, nailagay nyo dito without using hands. Frost and Sarah. Yan, ganon. Okay? Ha? Yes, dali nyo doon. Pero, don't use hands ha. Teamwork and balance are the key. Okay? So, game plan muna. How are you gonna do it? Walang hands, walang hands. Wala. Pwede ba ito direct? Bawal. Sige, ikaw lang gusto lang makaisa ng Okay, gano'n. So, balik nyo yan guys, ano kayo? May tigisang point na gano'n. Daya. Okay, there we go guys. No hands ha, no hands. No ups, no hands po, no hands. Bawal yan. No hands. Ulit. Bawal po yan, mamanalo. Grabe, hindi ka natalo. Nandiyan yung prize mo. Ha? Panalo naman daw kaya. Meron din tayong additional prizes for our winners from Viva Beauty.
Alam niyo bang paboritong kulay mo? Alam niyo bang buuin ang buhay mo?
Alam niyo ba kung gano'n mahal magpatalo? Palagi ka ang tama, malinaw kahit na malabo. Alam niyo paano kapagsabi? Paano ka kikigil?
Alam niyo mag-iwasan masaktan ang puso mo na maging katulad ko. Alam niyo ba kung paano magmahal ng totoo? Hindi ko nagawa. Alam niyo ba mahal pa rin kita? 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 Ano paano ka pasarin? Ano paano ka kikilig? Alam niyo nag-iwasan masaktan ang puso mo na maging katulad ko. Alam niyo ba kung paano magmahal ng totoo? Hindi ko nagawa. Alam niyo ba mahal pa rin kita?
go to repeat. Once again, maraming salamat mula po sa puso naming lahat. Sa lahat po na bumubuo ng produksyon na ito, on cam and off cam, on stage and off stage. Maraming salamat. Kita shit sa Joseph! Thank you so much, guys. Ingat kayo lahat. We all love you. God bless.